Overall size, 8" by 8" by 4". Provides airtight friction fit. Tough, durable ABS plastic material. Simple and quick to install. Provides a multitude of applications. Both 4" nominal ends measure 3 61/64" OD and 3 3/4" ID. 4" elbow dust hose connector. The POWERTEC 4" elbow dust hose connector facilitates directional changes in your dust collector hose network to maximize the system efficiency and effectiveness. This handy fitting has a multitude of applications, for example, when running a hose to an overhead mainline, altering the plane, up, down, left or right, of your hose, or as an adjunct fitting, coupled with the 4" wide dust hose connector, to enable the expansion of your dust hose network. With its airtight friction grip, this durable connector will ensure that potent dust and debris is sucked straight into your dust collector, and that clean air is returned into your workshop environment. Make it perfect with POWERTEC fittings, streamlined, simple to use, versatile. Both 4" nominal ends measure 3 61/64" OD and 3 3/4" ID. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. I bought this from Ida wall planer to get the dust control setup finished. Works great and gets the exhaust away from the exit of the planer, which otherwise is a big mess. Couple this to a 4" flex hose and you're good to go.